Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you. Over.
What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are testing JBL's first ever open-ear sports headphone, the JBL Endurance Zone. These aren't regular in-ear buds. They sit outside the ear so we can hear our music and what's going on around us. If you train hard, move fast, and still want to stay aware, this might be what you have been waiting for. Let's check how they hold up in real life, from sound to comfort to durability and more. Well, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
'Cause I don't know how to forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept up.
Starting with the build, this set is clearly made for movement. The JBL Endurance Zone uses soft liquid silicone and flexible memory wear that shapes around the ear. That means a secure fit even during fast-paced training. Each earbud weighs under 9 grams and stays comfortable during long wear. The outer shell is scratch resistant, easy to grip, and doesn't slip when wet. The charging case is tough too, with a built-in lanyard hole for clipping onto a bag. They are rated IP68, so they can take a sweat, rain, salt water, dust, and sand without missing a bit. High heat and humidity won't cause problems, and accidental drops don't phase them. After intense training, they can be rinsed clean and used again right away. For extra care, JBL PulseDry, available through the JBL Headphones app, uses pulsed vibrations to help clear moisture from the drivers. Whether it's a gym workout or a long day walking, these earbuds are built to handle it.
This time.
Oh, okay, there is an international smartphone giveaway going on this channel. What you have to do to join this giveaway is to leave a comment. What do you think about this JBL Endurance Zone? Please don't spam cause spammers will get disqualified. Share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. Moving into sound, JBL's OpenSound tech offers focused open-ear audio. Music is delivered through 18 by 11 mm drivers tuned for clear highs, balanced mids, and strong bass. The high sensitivity driver sits closer to the ear canal for improved clarity and minimal sound leakage. Audio is directed inward so others barely hear it, while the listener gets a full sound experience. An adaptive bass boost kicks in automatically with motion, adding depth when it's needed most. The open ear design helps keep surroundings audible, making it a safer choice for running, biking, or training outside. Even without sealing the ear, the sound stays rich, full, and motivating. It's a setup that blends awareness with energy, the best of both worlds. When it comes to calls, the mic setup is built to perform. Each earbud features two beamforming microphones that isolate voice and reduce background noise. A wind-resistant design cuts down distortion from air movement, which helps during outdoor runs or bike rides. The call stays clear and focused, even in noisy environments like the gym or a busy street. Voice comes through naturally without the need to raise volume or repeat. It's a smooth, steady calling experience from start to finish, even while on the move.
Got a lot of the same friends, and soon enough they're going.
Battery life holds up well. The earbuds run for up to 8 hours on a full charge, with another 24 hours stored in the charging case. That's a total of 32 hours. For last minute needs, a 10-minute speed charge adds up to 3 hours of playtime. USB-C support keeps charging quick and simple. The setup is built to last through multi-day use or back-to-back workouts without needing constant recharging. The app experience adds more control. The JBL Headphones app allows sound customization through an EQ and reassigning touch controls on each earbud. Connectivity is quick and smart thanks to Google Fast Pair. Multi-point support lets the earbuds stay connected to two devices at once, ideal for switching between a phone and a tablet without extra steps. So, are these worth it? For those looking for durable, open ear earbuds that stay comfortable and sound solid during hard training, the JBL Endurance Zone delivers. They're tough, they fit right, and they're built to last. This is JBL's first open ear sports headphones, and they nailed the balance between safety, performance, and everyday usability. It's available right now on JBL.com. Okay, I'm not gonna leave a link and say go ahead, buy from my link. If you wanna buy it, buy from anywhere. I'm just sharing my honest opinion. Well, that's it about JBL Endurance Zone. If you have any question about this, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as fast as possible. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Crazy how something can scar you so deep, but you fall